Hello, I am Anina Mollik and you all are welcome to my Python programming basic course. Our today's topic is function in Python. Let's start. What is function? Function is nothing but a block of code for performing some specific task. Obviously, we know that the function is used for performing the specific task. For an example, we had addition of two numbers. So there is the add function. Subtraction of two numbers, we use the sub function. Means some block of code are there for perform a specific task. That is basically the function definition. Now we are tell about the how to define a function and call a function in Python. So that's why I go to the Python shell. Now in Python there is some difference. If you know on the C programming, normally in C programming we first need to declare a function, then we call the function, then we define and call. Call is the main. But in Python, first we define the function. For define, we use this keyword def keyword. Then function name. For an example, here we use the def high. That means our function name is high. Here in high function we have a no parameter. We are passing no parameter. This is an indentation block. I already told that what is indentation block. Colon, that means indentation. There is a block means body of this high function. Now on this block we are just print the statement like high Python. Now then we are calling. How to call? Just like function name then bracket. Simple. So it is a magic of Python. Just three line. We define a function and call the function. If you compare the another languages like C, Java, lots of code, lots of lines of code are there. But in Python, just three lines. It's over. It's a high level because this is a high level language. Okay. Now you may be confused that sir, you told that this high is under the body of this high function or not. That means in the block this high, this statement high, then bracket, this statement is under this indentation block or not. No, it is not indentation block. How can I say that? Every time you keep in mind, if you write a single statement under just means what I try to say that if is a you observe that on the carefully, if this statement is on this side, that means here, that means you say that yes, it is a block, this block, indentation block. If is it not, that means outside. This is means the outside, just straight. Looking about the just have a straight line like straight of this def statement, like right. This def just a straight, that is a higher written. That means these high statement are outside of this block. Okay. I know you are the beginners, maybe some confusion occurred, but I think as a course has progressed, you must familiar with that indentation block problem. Now just save it and run. Press F5. High Python are printed. Okay, high Python are printed successfully. That's why it is a defined for means first definition of function, then some block or body on the block, some statements are there, then we are called the function. Okay, this is the rule in Python. Now another function example. For an example, this is a another example. Write a program to add the two integer using function. We are taking the two integer as a parameter, passing the parameter, and we are adding it. So for that we are define a function def total. Function name here our is total. Then we are passing two parameter a comma b. That means we are passing to a and b. Okay. Now indentation block are started. Then take a variable like result. and on there we are storing the value a plus b. Then print sum of a, comma, and this b. Then we are printing the result. Now we are take the input a and b. Okay. Then this is the function called total a comma b. Again, observe that this a, b, and total is a outside the def, means this function body or function block. How? This every time observe just a straight line not there, the straight of the def word, like just a straight. If this statement is under this here, means for an example I write that here this, so this is under the def function, that means block of def function, because but here these three statement on the straight of the def, that means you are outside the def block. So we have check for the function perform. Press F5, enter the first number. For an example, we have print first number is 7, second number is like 5. Yes, sum of 7 and 5 is 12. Correct result is showing. That's it is a how can I define and calling the function in Python. So okay, but keep practicing. I give you just small touch of every concept, basic concept. Okay, but you keep practicing. Thank you.